Good evening.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. And thank you so much for joining here. So, since we are meeting for the very first time, so would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Ashutosh. I am from Bihar and I'm currently staying in my village. And if I talk about my education, so I have completed my bachelor degree in commerce. And also I'm working professional. I'm working in a private company. That's all about me.
That's wonderful. So, you have completed your graduation and
Yeah,
after
right.
started your work.
Yeah, true.
Okay. So, should I introduce myself?
Yeah, sure. Definitely.
Okay. So, as you know, my name is Priyanka. I have recently completed my graduation and now I'm planning to do my MBA. And as well as I'm working on my YouTube channel, especially my language, this English language, so that I can improve. And that's why I'm having sessions every day with learners and good personalities so that it will be good for me as well.
Yeah, true. Actually, I'm watching your video and I'm watching your every video, I guess. And you are doing great and you are improving day by day. So it is good. And just I have a lot of question to ask you. So I'm just going to ask one question. So how do you start your English journey? So what difficulty you are facing while learning, and how you become a nowadays you are speaking, you communicating with the people. So how you start your journey? Just doing little bit uh,
Okay.
express.
Okay, for sure. So in the starting, of course, there was no one. I was also like very much confused, like how should I start my journey? But it was in my mind that I have to be like master in this language. At least I can, communicate with the people because today the learning of English is the difference between success and failure, right? So I
True.
should have a command over this language. So that's how I started. And in the starting, of course, grammar was a problem, and how, where should I start? So that's how. But the thing is that here, what I have experienced, the more we speak, the more we learn because this is a language. We can't, we don't have
True.
to
True.
consider this as a subject. So that's how.
Yeah.
What
So
like,
you are saying it is completely true. When we are doing like more practice, more conversation, and more practice, then we will get like more confident and more learning. So it is completely true. See, we know the grammar, we know how we need to make sentence and all, but somewhere we are not be going to speak and we are not be opening our mouth. So it is very important for us to learn this language. So it is completely true. And also I'm following the same thing. I'm like if I talk about my journey, so I start my journey in 2020. It was corona there that time, and I was thinking to what I need to do that time because everybody that time. So I start learning English. So I talking to the people. I'm using like Joe's Talk application, Talk Now. Many application is there. You can connect with the voice call various people and strangers. You can talk with them. How people are talking, how they are speaking. Like we will get like idea. So it is also very important when you get idea and then you can like talk with the other people and then you can use those idea. So it is very important. Yeah, and apart from this I'm also like watching video on YouTube, whatever. Like I'm watching your video, I'm watching many other YouTuber video, I'm watching like a new YouTuber, many YouTuber is there, they are start uploading like conversation video. And also I'm following Gaur Gopal Das and Priyanka Chopra. She is also good speaker and she is like speaking like a simple way everybody can understand. So I'm also observing the thing how I need to improve myself, how I need to polish myself, so that when I am going to talk with the people they can understand easily. They can whatever I'm saying they can easily understanding so that they can answer easily. So that's why I'm working on it, and nowadays it is going pretty good. So that's all.
okay, that's wonderful. So you're having session on a daily
Mhm.
basis.
No, I'm not doing a daily basis. I have my also small YouTube channel. I started in this year in January. And yeah, so I'm not frequent walking on it, but yeah, nowadays I'm thinking to walk on it, because somewhere I'm not thinking to like make like money and all. So I'm thinking where I am actually, how I can check myself, so that I'm making this conversation video, I'm uploading over there. And like I can see myself today where I am, and after 2 months and after 3 months where I am, so that I can check myself. Okay, I'm improving or not. What I need to do and where I need to walk myself, right? And somewhere I'm also getting a good response from viewer. They are appreciate me. They are comment the positive comment, and I'm also getting like view also. So it is part of motivation also. You will get motivation. Okay, people are liking your like conversation. Obviously you are thinking in your mind, okay, I need to make more and more video, right? Somewhere you are making the video, you will also learn a lot of things, and you will also enhance your communication, you build your confidence. So this is yeah, so that's all I'm doing.
Exactly. And you mentioned that the idea is to speak English. Like it's going to be simple, that's okay. Of course, because the thing is that we have to convey our message. What if like we are speaking very, like accented and I can say like difficult words we are using in our conversation. So and someone
True.
out there are not is not able to understand what you are saying. So that's not going to be worth it. So keep it very simple. And I have received this feedback and many videos.
Mm-hmm.
Like whenever I watch like English conversation videos, so the thing is that to convey our message in a simple manner.
Yeah, true. When you were like see when you are uploading the video on YouTube, right, you will get good response also and bad response also. So you need to see your video when you are get like negative feedback. So in that feedback you just start working on it, where you lack and where you need to work yourself. I'm doing the same thing. You can see my video, and I did a lot of mistake. I know I did a lot of mistake. That is not a problem, because where I did mistake, that mistake I'm just trying to reduce my mistake, and just I'm trying to enhance my communication. So whenever we are start in anywhere, not talking about English, if you are learn anything in uh, technical or anything you want to learn language and all, so obviously mistake is there. While doing mistake, you learn the thing, correct? And we need to learn through mistake, right? So
Yeah.
these kind of thing, yeah, it is happened. And one thing just I want to ask, how much, how much we need to practice, daily basis? What is your suggestion? And how much like grammar is important, and how much listening and watching is important? So what is your opinion about that? What do you
So to be
think?
very honest, what I do basically, everyday sessions are must. Like speaking is must because we can't skip it. Because the more we speak, the more we learn. That's how it goes
True.
on. And when it comes to grammar, so grammar is okay. Like at least we should know the fundamentals of grammar, like tenses, parts of speech, voice, and these are enough. And then the thing is that listen every day, read every day, write, maintain your journal, because maintaining journal will not only help you in your writing skills, but as well as you get to know yourself more better when we write. Okay, like whatever
True.
happens throughout the day with you and what all your future plans. So you can just write, because I do this and I feel so happy when I write about my day and about my future plans. So this is how I can track my progress. But still, speaking is I'm emphasizing more on speaking. The more we speak, the more we learn. So just
Yeah,
don't
true.
speaking.
Yeah, true. It is completely true. And what do you plan in future? Why you want to learn English? So, do you have any plan to start something on, or you just you have uh, dream to sorry, you have like passion to learn only for the speaking.
So to be very honest, first I'll do my MBA, and then of course my specialization is in finance. So I'll do something in this field, and as well as I'm interested in this language. So of course. if I'll be fluent and I have a good command over it on this language in future, I can work as a tutor. Uh, okay, and
Yeah, it is good. It is good.
yes, I'm interested in sport, like sorry, dancing as well. So
Okay, that's great.
these three things I'm like very much into, and let's see what happens.
Okay. So which kind of dance you like? Many categories there.
Yeah, basically, I do Zumba on a daily basis, so that's how I'm
Okay, okay,
interested in this. So I just
okay,
play the
okay,
music and dance.
okay, okay. So
What
you
about?
like to become a like a dancer also in future.
Yeah,
So do you want to become a like actor also? Maybe if you're dancing, obviously you are thinking to act also.
not actor because I haven't planned this much, but at least dancing is something I'm interested in, and
Okay.
yeah. So this is these three things I can go ahead with this. And what about your like hobbies? What are your interests? Like, what would you like to do in your leisure time?
Yeah, so nowadays I'm just curious to like learn English, and my hobby is just I'm interact with the people, and I'm just trying to like talk with the new people. Uh, if I talk about me, so I want to learn English from scratch, from beginning actually you can say. So what I need to do for that, or how I can start my journey, and where I need to walk myself, and how we can like learn day by day, and what we need to do on initial stage, because many people are there, they start their journey, and after a few months, maybe 2 months, 3 months, and then give up. They think okay, it is not possible for me and I can't do it. So a lot of people are there, they give up their journey, English learning journey. So that's why I'm just asking this question. Maybe
Yeah.
do you have a lot of idea how we can start, and how people can start, and they become like a good speaker? So that's why I'm thinking to ask you.
Okay. Basically, as you said that a person who start from the scratch. So what are the things he or she can do to start their journey? And the thing is that when you said na like they skip in the mid. So it's not the case. If you're like, of course, it will take time and it's going to be drain you. Like complete this process. And the thing is that you have to develop the interest because interest matter a lot when it comes to learning language, not only this particular language but in any field. If you're not interested and if you're doing this continuously, you will not enjoy. So start enjoying the
Yeah,
process,
true, true,
and you will
true.
of
It
course
is true.
like how I learn English, like listening, speaking, reading, writing. This is how. And don't skip in the mid. If you skip in the mid this process, nothing will come out.
Yeah, it is completely true. We have to be consistent on it, then only possible to learn something. So it
Yeah,
is true.
this is what this language not only helped me to like, I'm not only learning this language, I'm building, my own self confidence, how I'm facing the camera, how I'm speaking. Earlier, it was very much hard for me to switch on my camera and speak in front of someone because I'm not able to speak earlier. But this is the
Every initial time, everybody they're facing the same problem. I was also facing the same problem when I start talking to the people front of the camera, and that time I like how I need to say, and I forgot everything what I need to say actually, and I stuck over there. So it is happened with everybody, they start first time facing the camera. So it is happened. It is
yeah,
true.
it happens. It's true, absolutely. But if we skip in the mid, so that's there is no use of this.
See, actually, many people are there. They know the tenses, they know everything, how we need to make this translation and all. But the people, they when we are going to talking thing, say, and that time they stuck, and they are not coming in the right word in mind, and they give up their journey. Okay, they are thinking in their mind, okay, it is really not possible for me, and I can't do it, and let's give up. So
Yeah.
that's why I'm thinking to ask you, do you have many anything to say? And maybe you have a lot of idea, you are making daily conversation. So you observed a lot of things from the people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I observe basically that just continue, don't skip in the mid, and just enjoy the
Yeah,
process.
it is true.
Start.
Yeah, yeah.
If you develop the interest, it will be going to be very easy.
Yeah, true, true. Anything if you have to ask me, definitely you can ask apart from
Uh,
conversation.
my turn, as you asked a lot of questions. So, what motivates you to learn English? Like how you started? Is there any, like hit, it happens sometimes. People face the problem and then they start something, or sometimes they
Yeah,
have a.
it is true, true. Because I'm working professional, I'm working in a private company, you know very well, because everybody there is speaking English. So somewhere I was stuck, and somewhere I'm not be able to present myself how I need to present. So that's why I'm thinking, okay, it is really not possible to survive in a world without English. So we have to be fluent in this, then only possible to become better. We can fulfill our dream, and wherever we want to go, we can reach over there. So that's why I decided to learn, and then I start learning. And it is still I'm learning, I'm still trying to polish my communication, and I'm still doing a lot of mistake. And you can see my video, then you will realize I'm also realizing while when I watching my video. So it is it's take time, but yeah, it is possible. And be consistent on it, then very soon become a good speaker.
Exactly. And what about the
Yeah.
difficulties? What are the difficulties that you face while you are, of course, you are still in this journey. So please say something about
Mhm.
your difficulties.
Yeah, so when you are going to talk, so somewhere you are stuck with the word meaning, so you are stuck over there, you can't answer the question, and somewhere you not understand what people are saying actually, just because of word meaning also. And in that time you will not be able to get the right answer what I need to say about this, right? So somewhere I'm also stuck in nowadays also, right, with word meaning, because somewhere people are asking about anything it with a new word meaning. So that time I stuck, and I'm not be able to understand what people are saying exactly, what I need to say, and what I need to answer them. So this is the difficulty still I'm facing.
Okay, because of new
And
vocabulary.
if I talk about, yeah, if I talk about initial stage, so I was always stuck, because I know the word meaning, I know the sentence how I need to make, but the thing is I'm not be able to speak, because our mouth, our tongue, our teeth, he's not habitual to speak. So that's why we are not design my the word meaning and design the sentences how I need to present my, how I need to present the word, and how I need to present the sentences. So it is happen initial time, but nowadays I can understand, I can speak, and I can communicate with the people. So it is very good.
So what about what do you do on a
Mhm.
daily basis for this language?
Daily basis, I'm, as I told you, I'm using Joe Stock application. I'm trying to connect with the multiple people in a daily basis, as at least 1 hour to 1.5 hour, right?
Okay.
I'm connecting with the, every time new people. I'm observing them how people are talking. And apart from this, as I told you, I'm following some good speaker on YouTube, and I'm following them, I'm watching the video when we are when I'm going to sleep, that time I'm watching the video. And these kind of activity I'm following as of now, and it is going good, and I'm getting response also. Not slowly, obviously it will take time. So slowly I'm getting response. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So it was really wonderful talking with you. I enjoyed a lot, and you
Yeah,
have asked
yeah, it is.
questions.
Yeah, I'm also enjoying a lot, I'm also learning a lot of things from your side. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for inviting me, and thanks a lot.